Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cool Craft Creations. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a paper rose. So the things you'll need for this craft is a wire and two strips of tissue paper. Now you'll need to put both those tissue papers on top of each other and fold it accordion style like this. After you're done with folding it like that, you'll need to fold it in half. There, just like that. Now take your wire and and where you folded it, where the line comes, you'll need to wrap the wire right there. One more round. There, it should look something like this. Now fold it in half again, and as you have taken two of your tissue papers, you have to separate both of them and put it on top, just like this, and do it to the other side also. And then there will be a half of the other tissue paper also. So this is what tissue paper, you'll need to separate it like this, and then you'll need to open it up. Be very careful because there are chances of it tearing. See, doesn't it look beautiful? It's there, your paper rose is ready. Bye guys, thank you for watching.